Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Lexus RX350 key battery. It's a straightforward process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. We'll go through each step carefully, ensuring your key fob is working perfectly again. Let's get started and give your key fob new life with a fresh battery. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button and pull out the mechanical key blade. This reveals a small slot. Now, take your small flathead screwdriver and carefully insert it into this slot. With a gentle twist, you can separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to use too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. The goal is to gently pry it open. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the small coin cell battery inside. Take a moment to note which way the battery is oriented, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing up, just like the old one. Press it firmly into place. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Next, slide the mechanical key blade back into its slot until it clicks. Finally, test all the buttons on your key fob, including the lock, unlock, and panic functions, to ensure everything is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your key battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.